Ubuntu is a modern, open-source operating system based on Linux that serves various use cases, including enterprise servers, desktops, cloud computing, and Internet of Things. Known for its reliability, security, and user-friendly interface, Ubuntu powers millions of PCs, laptops, and servers worldwide, making it one of the most popular Linux distributions. Ubuntu provides a versatile platform for developers, businesses, and individual users. It is designed to meet the needs of both newcomers to Linux and experienced professionals. Its open-source nature ensures that users have access to a vast ecosystem of applications, tools, and libraries, enabling developers to build and deploy software efficiently.